So that's it, all reassembled. I have, since I made that last bit of video, driven the car, and the difference on the inside, the soundproofing has made, is huge. So what I need is a nice day when I need an essential trip to take the camera out with me and video my essential trip. So hopefully the camera's microphone will pick up the difference. It just feels so much better now to sit in when you're driving along. I may even change the exhaust for the quieter one I used to have on, but for now it's much better. I have also made some other changes. Let me find a torch. I've put a radio in the car with some speakers, which I'm going to show you. If I can just get around my filthy mountain bike, because I've just been out on it today, and it's thawing out. It was a bit snowy today. State of that. Right then, in the car. So I made these little pods with the speakers in, and I've put this little phone holder here, which is quite a nice little thing. You see that when the light hits it, the things open up. You put your cover that sensor, and it clamps your phone, and then that will also wirelessly charge my phone. So that's mounted there. Put them pair of speakers in the front there. I need to do something with this back. I think I made this go too far back really, but two speakers up front, and then I've made a speaker board in the back for two speakers in the back, and I've just got a Pioneer Bluetooth radio there. It's got no CD player, but whoever has CDs nowadays, it's Bluetooth normal FM radio. So it makes quite a difference having a bit of having it that bit quieter with the improved soundproofing in here, and I can actually hear the radio now, whereas I could never hear it when I just had those two speakers up front before. So that's made quite a difference inside the car, having that radio. I quite like that. So like I say, hopefully in the next few days I'll get a chance to go for a drive and show you how it sounds now inside the car. So I think the only real improvement we've done is done the soundproofing. Yeah, we attempted to fix an oil leak, didn't we? Better show you that. Now, when I first started taking this apart to look at oil leaks and bits and pieces, Martin from Mini Manshed made a comment on the first, I think it was the first video, maybe the second one, about where he had an oil leak from the half moon seal, and I think I should have listened to him, because look at this. How well you can see, it's a drip of oil in exactly the same spot I had it before. So I don't think it was that timing cover gasket. I think it was the half moon seal behind there, possibly. Oh well, I'm not going to bother fixing it now, because I'm going to swap the engine onto for the Vauxhall one, which hopefully I'm going to start getting the Zafira pulled apart soon, and then we can start putting that together. we're going to try again. Although today it's dark, but hopefully we've got a better camera mount this time. I don't know how much you can actually see, but it's still quite slushy around here. I think most of the roads are all right now. Most of the snow's gone. Right, first stop. Right, we're back. Off to Morrison's now. There's some good food.